Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our tech channel. Let's start our video. Welcome to step by step YouTube tutorial on how to make a company Gmail account in totally digital world. Having a dedicated Gmail account for your business. In this comprehensive guide we will talk through the entire process of creating a Gmail business account. Roles specifically for your company need from your access manager all the necessary steps to ensure a smooth and efficient email address. Web hosting is a very important factor nowadays, so we will cover all the goodbye to generic Gmail provider and bans with the power of Gmail. In this step by step, we will talk through the entire process of creating a brand new Gmail tutorial specifically to meet the unique demand of the business. So without further ado, let's dive into the unlock the full potential of your Gmail for professional business. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon and stay updated with our latest tutorial. To obtain car insurance in California and other states, there are several steps you follow to need. Firstly, gather all the information before beginning the process. This includes your driver license number, vehicle details such as make, model, and year, and your driving history include any accident or traffic violation. Next, start researching various insurance providers to find the best fit for your needs. Look for companies that offer the coverage you require at the price that fits your budget. You can use online comparison tool work in insurance agent to get quotes from the multiple providers. Once have a list of potential insurance companies, contact them to request a quote or apply of coverage online business. Be prepared to answer questions about your driving habits, the purpose of your vehicle use, and other relevant information that help them access your risks. During the application process, it is crucial to provide accurate information. Misrepresentation and false information could lead to policy being voided or cancelled in the future. After you apply, the insurance company will review your application driving record. They will assess the risk associated with insuring and your vehicle, then determine the premium amount you need to pay. Once your application is approved, you will need to make the required premium payments to activate your policy. You can usually choose to pay the premium monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually depend on the insurer option. It is essential to review your policy periodically to ensure it still meets your need. As life circumstances change, you may require adjustment to your coverage. Additionally, staying updated on any change in laws, insurance laws, or regulations in your state is crucial to remaining compliant. Remember that maintaining a good driving record can often lead to better insurance rate and discount. Avoid accident traffic violation whenever possible, as these can negatively impact your premiums. In conclusion, securing car insurance in California or any other state involves careful research, accurate information, and maintaining a clean driving record. Take the time and to explore your options, choose the coverage that suits you best, and be diligent in making premium payments to keep your policy active and your vehicle protected on the road. Remember that the maintaining a good driving record can often lead to the better insurance rate and discounts. Avoid accident and traffic violation whenever possible, as these negatively impact your premium. It's essential to review your policy periodically to ensure it still meets your needs. As life circumstances change, you may require adjustment to your coverage. Additionally, staying updated on any changes in insurance laws or regulations in your state is crucial to remaining compliant. Once your application is approved, you will need to make the premium account payments to activate your policy. You can choose to pay the premium monthly, quarterly, semi-quarterly, annually, depending on the tech insurance options. After you apply, the car insurance company will review your application and good driving record. They will assess the risk you to include your vehicle and then determine the premium amount you need to pay. During the process, it is crucial to provide accurate information minimization of false information due to policy being violated or cancelled in the future. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then hit the subscribe button and like button and share it with your friends so you will never miss any update. Hit the bell icon and thank you for subscribing. I meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.